Hey friends, if you wish to quickly download and install Dolby Access on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for this Dolby Access in the Microsoft Store, okay? You can search for it here and hit enter. Also, you can search for store in the Windows search bar and open it from here if you don't find it otherwise. Click on Dolby Access, and then mostly it is already downloaded on your system, so you can open it directly, but if not, then you can click on the install button and then click on open, and it will open the Dolby app, and then you can activate Dolby Atmos, and you can customize your audio settings, and then you can also access the game panels and all. Okay, so you can use the Dolby access here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.